We have another example on the board. This time we are going to talk about the derivative of the difference. But this function is a little bit complex. So what we're going to do first? We're going to rewrite this function. We're going to convert first the square root to the exponent. So if y is equal 3x squared minus 2x times x squared minus 4 to power 1/2. If you want to find the derivative of the difference, you're supposed to find the derivative of each term of the problem. So what am I supposed to do first? I'm going to find the derivative of the first term, okay? So I'm going to write that I have to find derivative of 3x squared over dx. This is equal 6x, okay? And I'm going to find the derivative of the second term. So I have derivative and I have 2x and I have x squared minus 4 to power 1/2. Okay, so this is derivative of the product. So this is my u, and this is going to be my v. Okay, of course everything is over dx. So I have u. U is equal 2x. Next I have to find the derivative of u. U prime is equal to. Next I have to look at my v. V is equal x squared minus 4, and everything is raised to power 1/2. Derivative of it is equal, according to this formula, because I do not have constant, so it means that there is invisible one. I'm not going to write it. Simply start from the exponent. So I have 1/2 times the content of the parenthesis, x squared minus 4, and subtract 1 from the exponent. So I have 1/2 minus 2 over 2, okay, because 2 over 2 is equal 1, times the derivative of the content of my parenthesis. So I have to find the derivative of the difference, because I have difference over here. So derivative of x squared is equal 2x, and derivative of 4 is equal 0, because 4 is the constant. I'm not going to write it. So I have to write that v prime is equal, please keep in mind that I have 2 in the denominator, and I have 2 whole number. So this 2 is going to reduce this one. So I'm going to have simply x, and I have x squared minus 4 to power negative 1/2. And this is my v prime. Next, I can find the derivative of my problem. So I have y prime is equal, the derivative of the first term we found is what? 6x. 6x minus, right? Minus, and we're supposed to find the derivative of the product. Okay, so as we said, this is u and this is v. So I'm supposed to write u is equal 2x times v prime, which is equal x, and I have x squared minus 4 to power negative 1/2, okay, plus v, and we found that v is equal x squared minus 4 to power 1/2 times u prime, which is equal to. Okay, you can close the brackets. And we have y prime is equal 6x minus brackets, and I have 2x times x is 2x squared, and I have x squared minus 4 to power negative 1/2, right? And I have plus 2x squared minus 4 to power 1/2. Close the brackets. Can continue, and we have y prime is equal 6x, I'm going to eliminate the brackets, minus 2x squared. I'm going to convert the negative exponent to positive, and don't forget that this is 1/2, so this is square root. Okay, instead of write x squared minus 4 to power 1/2, I'm going to write that this is square root of x squared minus 4 plus 2 square root of x squared minus 4. And this is the solution to my problem.